And my cookies sweet like lollipops. Fresh in the morning, welcome to my candy shop. 무르끄랄 flavors on your lips. 새콤한 애를 going on a bubble tea trip.
Find ba? Find. Where? Galing where? So we're here again sa Star City. Pumunta kami dito ng medyo mas maaga. So kasabay namin yung mga pasok pa lang. Hey Da! Hi! So bumili kami ng ticket, Star Pass with Snow World kasi mas mura siya ng 80 pesos ata kung dito ka bibili kaysa dun sa counter sa may Snow World. So pasok na tayo.
Highlight ng kulay pink. Yun ang sa allowed na rice ma'am. Thank you. Tapos wait nyo lang po yung ticket ma'am.
Hi! Ada! So if hindi kayo nagdala ng stroller, meron ditong stroller rental, mga wheelchair, or yung parang scooter. And good luck kung may mapabili na naman si Ada ng mga toys kasi maraming store dito ng toys. Hi Be! We're back! You want small? What color? Okay, may batang nagsha-shopping na naman ng toys. Sabi ko, one toy only for today. Hey, what is that? I thought one toy only. How much is that? Do you have money? How many toy will you buy? How many? Two. Kanina, I told you how many dapat. Dapat one lang Let's eat first. Come on. Let's eat. We have to eat first. Dito kami ulit kakain kasi last time na try namin to sobrang sarap ng food nila and affordable. Gusto ko documented. Lahat ng gagastusin natin ngayon fair share. Sinigang! You wanna ride there na? Finish your food. Finish mo na kasi yung food mo para we can go ride na. What? Ride worm? We're done eating lunch. Ang request ni Ada, saan tayo mag-ride? This is the most requested ride ni Ada. Ito down, ito up. Up. Mamala. What? You want up? Up, down, up. Ay, bored ka? Ang saya kasi may kasama kaming mga nag-field trip kaya nakikita ni Ada may mga kids. Are you happy? We're next in line. We have to wait, okay?
Kaya yung mga bata kasabay na.
Bawal matakot. Yan. So, kung mainit masyado sa labas, may indoors. Actually, meron nga rin ditong kids playland para siyang indoor playground. So, dito muna tayo magubos ng energy. Wow! Whoop! One tip pala, if you're going to Star City, make sure na naka-closed shoes kayo at saka naka-socks kasi may mga attractions or rides na dapat naka-closed shoes and socks. So, halimbawa sa Snow World, kailangan naka-closed shoes kayo and then dito naman sa Kids Playland, kailangan meron kayong socks. 1, 2, 3. So, dala kayo ng fisan o kaya nung snake something. Basta may cooling effect para ma-respond yung mga bata.
Hot.
It's hot. Ayan, solo na naman ni Ada ang playland. Ada, what color yan? Wow! Si Ada pag nakakakita ng bata, as in parang nagiging buntot siya. Nawawala yung kalaro niya, hinahanap niya. Are you playing? Ah. Ha? Live. Ha? Hi! Asim! Oh, oh! Oh, enough na, enough! Ada! Ada! Hello! Hands up? Okay. Later you go quack. Okay. Since nagsa-slide si Ada, takas muna kami ni Ina. Mag-slide lang kami sa... slide. Sana, magra-ride lang muna kami somewhere. bag. So, kailangan niyang mag-iwan sa locker. Required siya, 10 pesos sa maliit na locker, 20 pesos sa malaki. Wow! Amazing! Huh? Japan? Let's go here. No, not scary. Oh. Don't touch anything. Go. Show mommy where. Hi. Look at mommy's leg. What's that? Can you show mommy? What? What's that? What's that? Where are you? Wow, star. Wow. Are you ready? Upside down na yan. Upside down. Okay, come on. Come on. You're in Egypt. Wow.
Without flash.
Minikali ko ni Monico ang makina ni Mokina. Ang makina.
Ni Susan ang sinsid.
Sinusin ni Susan ang sasidla ng sisiyo. Kalabit ng kalabit si Alabit na may bit-bit ba? All done! Is it all done? Not yet? Oh no.
Naku po.
Ay, sagla, maliksi lang. Ba't na ba kay mama lang? And so we're done with Snow World. Nakuha na din namin itong mga pictures namin. And then, bumili rin kami ng mango sticky rice since may discount na siya. 110 lang kapag galing kayong Snow World. Why? What? Stop it! Gummy bear! Tired? Hey there! Bye-bye! Sit lang ha! Bye, baby! Hey there! Good job! You want it? Okay, kayo ni Tata Shai. eat first? Tired? You want milk?